Artificial intelligence isn't just revolutionizing tech giants anymore. Right now, there are 4 penny stocks trading under $5 that are positioning themselves to capture massive value in the AI boom, and most investors are completely overlooking them. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 most compelling AI penny stocks in the USA market right now, and I'm going to show you exactly why each one deserves a spot on your watch list. But before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications, because we consistently uncovering these hidden gem opportunities before they hit mainstream radar. Let me start with a critical disclaimer. Penny stocks are inherently risky investments. They're volatile. They can lose value quickly, and you should never invest money that you can't afford to lose completely. These are speculative plays for a portion of your portfolio, not your entire life savings. With that side, if you understand the risks and can stomach the volatility, the potential rewards in the AI sector are absolutely massive. So let's dive into our first company. Our first company operates in a space that most people don't even realize is being transformed by artificial intelligence: cybersecurity. This company has developed an AI-powered platform that doesn't just detect threats after they happen, it predicts them before they occur. Imagine having a security system that knows the burglar is coming 3 blocks away. That's essentially what this company's technology does for digital threats. What makes their approach revolutionary is the use of machine learning models trained on billions of security events from across the internet. Their AI continuously analyzes patterns, identifies anomalies, and predicts potential attack vectors before hackers even launch them. In a world where the average data breach costs companies over $4 million, this predictive capability is worth its weight in gold. Major enterprises are spending billions trying to protect their digital assets, and this company is offering them a solution that is both more effective and more affordable than traditional security approaches. The company has been strategically building its customer base across financial institutions, healthcare providers, and government agencies, which are 3 of the most security-conscious sectors you can find. What's particularly impressive is their customer retention rate. Once a client implements their platform, they rarely leave, which tells you the technology actually delivers on its promises. In the software world, high retention rates are one of the best indicators of product market fit. From a financial perspective, this company has been growing its annual recurring revenue at an impressive clip. They operate on a subscription model, which means predictable, recurring income rather than one-time sales. The company isn't profitable yet, which is typical for high-growth tech firms reinvesting heavily into research and development. But their gross margins are healthy, sitting above 70%. That means once they achieve scale, the path to profitability is clear. The management team brings serious credibility to the table. The founder and CEO previously held leadership positions at major cybersecurity firms and has multiple successful exits under their belt. Recent developments have been particularly encouraging. Just in the last quarter, they announced several significant partnership agreements with major technology distributors, which will dramatically expand their market reach. With high-profile ransomware attacks dominating headlines almost weekly, cybersecurity budgets are expanding, and AI-powered solutions are at the top of every CISO's shopping list. The stock is currently trading at a market cap that has only a few multiples of their annual revenue, which is actually quite cheap for a high-growth SaaS company in the hot cybersecurity sector. If this company can continue executing on their growth plan and eventually achieve profitability, there's substantial upside from current levels. After building all this anticipation, let me reveal who we've been talking about. Our first AI penny stock is SoundHound AI, trading under ticker SOUN. This company specializes in voice AI technology, creating conversational intelligence solutions that power everything from automotive voice assistants to restaurant ordering systems. Their technology allows businesses to implement sophisticated voice interactions without requiring customers to learn specific commands or phrases, and they're working with major brands across multiple industries. Now let's move to our second AI penny stock, and this one plays in a completely different arena. We're talking about a company that's focused on quantum computing and AI optimization. They've developed algorithms that use quantum-inspired computing to solve complex optimization problems that traditional computers struggle with. Think logistics planning for massive supply chains, financial portfolio optimization, or drug discovery simulations. These are problems with millions of variables, where even small improvements in efficiency can translate to millions of dollars in savings. The company is called D-Wave Quantum, ticker QB, and they're one of the pioneers in making quantum computing commercially accessible. What makes D-Wave particularly interesting is they're not just theoretical researchers publishing papers. They have actual commercial customers using their systems right now. Major corporations in aerospace, logistics, and pharmaceuticals are running real workloads on their quantum platforms. They offer both cloud-based access to their quantum computers and on-premise installations for clients who need dedicated systems. The market for quantum computing is still in its early innings, but projections show it could be worth over $60 billion within the next decade. Getting in early on a quantum play at penny stock prices could be incredibly lucrative. If the technology continues maturing, our third pick shifts focus to healthcare AI, and this is a massive opportunity. The company we're looking at has developed machine learning platforms specifically designed for medical imaging and diagnostics. Their AI can analyze X-rays, CT scans, and mysteries with accuracy that rivals or exceeds human radiologists, and it does it in a fraction of the time. In an industry struggling with radiologist shortages and overwhelming caseloads, this technology is desperately needed. The company is Aidoc Medical, and they're working with hospital systems across the country. Their technology is FDA cleared for multiple clinical applications, which is a huge regulatory moat that keeps competitors at bay. The healthcare AI market is exploding because the economics are so compelling. Hospitals can improve diagnostic accuracy, reduce errors, speed up patient care, and optimize their expensive radiologist resources all at once. It's not about replacing doctors, it's about augmenting them with AI tools that make them more effective. Insurance companies are even starting to recognize and reimburse for AI-assisted diagnostics, which removes a major adoption barrier. This company is positioned right at the intersection of multiple megatrends: AI advancement, healthcare, digitization, and value-based care models. Our fourth and final AI penny stock brings us into the enterprise software world with a focus on business intelligence. BigBear AI, ticker BBAI, provides decision intelligence platforms that help organizations make sense of massive data sets using artificial intelligence. They work extensively with government and defense clients, providing mission-critical AI analytics for everything from supply chain management to threat assessment. What's compelling here is the diversification between commercial and government revenue streams. Government contracts provide stable, long-term income while they scale up their commercial operations. BigBear has been particularly active lately, announcing new contracts and partnerships with increasing frequency. Their technology platform is modular and scalable, meaning they can serve both small agencies and massive enterprise clients with the same core infrastructure. The company has experienced leadership with deep roots in both the defense sector and commercial tech, which positions them well to navigate both markets effectively. So there you have it, for AI penny stocks that are actually building real businesses in the artificial intelligence space. SoundHound AI, with voice technology. D-Wave Quantum pushing the boundaries of computing. Aidoc Medical revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics. And BigBear AI, providing decision intelligence. Each one addresses a different market opportunity, which is actually good for diversification if you're really looking to build a basket of AI penny stocks, rather than betting everything on one horse. Here's my final guidance. Do your own research on each of these companies. Read their latest earnings reports. Listen to their conference calls, understand their competitive positioning, and make sure you're comfortable with the risks before investing a single dollar. Set position sizes that make sense for your risk tolerance. Use stop losses to protect your downside, and don't get emotionally attached to any ticker symbol. The AI revolution is creating opportunities across the market cap spectrum, and these four companies represent interesting ways to gain exposure at penny stock prices. Will all four succeed? Probably not. Could one or two deliver life-changing returns? It's definitely possible. If you found this breakdown valuable, slam that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into emerging opportunities, and comment below with which of these four stocks interests you most. Until next time, invest smart, stay disciplined, and I'll catch you in the next video.